earlier, I was cancelled. I don't know if cancel is the right term. This video, this vlog is not to come clean, but at the same time, they are planned. Meron siyang storyline. Kung mapapansin nyo, pagkagising ko pa lang, nakaset up na yung camera, meron na agad tunog ng alarm clock. It's planned. These vlogs are literally content for a reason. Meron siyang storyline. And yung flatline screen na yun, hindi siya connected sa patient. It was already, I believe meron nang nag-post na kung may patient na nakakonect dun sa flatline screen na yun, makikita na meron pa siyang data or something like that. But it was just a screen. It may not be sensitive to me. It may not affect me in any way possible. But to other people, sensitive matter siya kasi ang pinag-uusapan nga is buhay ng tao. And for that, I am